Yo, before we get started with this video, I just want to let you guys know that these wheels right here, not those, these wheels right here, yeah, my old wheels, they are for sale. I'm letting you know before the video starts. Guess how much I'm selling them for? That's right, $200. $200 on all four wheels. $200. I'm selling them. I'm getting rid of them. You can't even find damn near one wheel for $200. Hit me up. I'm not gonna have this deal for long. I'm only gonna this is a 2-week deal. This is too good of a deal. What's today? Today is May 11th, Friday, May 11th. Y'all do the math, 2 weeks. If no one hits me up about the wheels, I'm just gonna sell them online. The wheels they're 18 by 10s in the back, 18 by 8.5 in the front. The fronts are perfect, the fronts are good. The back has a little bit of curb rash, nothing too serious. I mean, the lip is silver, so you're not gonna be able to really tell anyways. Snapchat me, Instagram, DM me for the details if you're interested. Like I said, it's only 200 bucks for all 4 wheels. Like, I don't know how much better that can get. Not to mention that if you do get these wheels, that you will probably be the only one to run these wheels on a car like this. They don't make these wheels anymore. They're Celine SC wheels. To be honest, they're really not even meant for the car. They're meant for like Fox bodies and the S95s. They still make them for the Fox bodies, but they don't make them for the S75s anymore. They don't make them in this lug pattern no more. So you will probably be the only one to have. I've never seen anybody run my wheels on this car, so you'd be different. Hit your boy up, I'm telling you. Yeah. Spider-Man package this? Jesus. Let's try this again. Alright, so today, as you can probably tell from the title of the video and the thumbnail, I don't even know if this is gonna work. I called the people. I looked online, I did my research. These spacers should get the job done. We're gonna put on the front spacers today, and I'm just gonna do the rear ones too, just to see how the car looks overall. So this is gonna be the, hopefully, if these spacers don't fit, then this is gonna be a real short video. I'm probably not gonna even post it. We're gonna be putting on the front spacers, the rear spacers. I'm probably gonna put on the wing again, mock that up, just to see how the car comes all together. And then this should be the last Fitment video before we actually do the wide body. That's exciting. That's crazy. I do have some news about the wide body. I'm not going to wrap them anymore. I'm not gonna wrap the fenders. Me and Jason came up with that conclusion. We were getting it done and it just wasn't looking how I wanted it to look. So I'd much rather just go and paint it. I'm gonna paint it myself. I did my research. It's gonna be a lot, but I'm gonna get it done. But I'm gonna jump into it, man. I really don't feel like being out here all day. I still gotta go to the gym. So I'm just gonna dive into it. It looks like, they already look like they're gonna fit. So I'm excited to see what this is gonna look like. looking at so far, y'all. Pretty good. I'm getting excited. Check this out. So y'all remember the back? We still gonna have to lower the. What is with all these spiders? Yo! But this is gonna have to get lowered probably like an inch, and it's gonna come probably right where I need it to. Wing extension still looks good. Happy with that. Let's come right over here. Let's talk about this. So the front kind of concerns me, and the reason why is, I mean, look at this. Like it's still, we still got a little bit of poke. I might have went a little too aggressive. Luckily there's a little bit of stretch with the tire, so maybe at full compression, or probably not full compression, when the coilover compresses, hopefully it just goes into the fender. It's probably gonna rub. I'm nervous. I'm still nervous that it's gonna rub. We're probably gonna have to work around that whenever we're really doing the wide body. The fitment is pretty good. I won't have to lower it too much, so it's really just the back. Gotta get the wing cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on and turn my wheel, see how we're looking right there, and really get the full effect of, you know, this wide body and all that stuff. So give me a sec. Alright, so this is what we're looking at, right? Now, I don't know if I have the wide body too low. It's not mocked up perfectly. To mock it up perfectly, you really need two people, and you know, I'm out here by myself. So, but check this out. We're not at full lock yet, and we're already running into some problems. You see what I'm saying? Alright, so this is full lock, and look at that. Holy crap. That's gonna be wild. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to consult with Jason. Probably gonna have to come out here and do some stuff. We're gonna have to mock it up one more time, not put the wheels on or anything like that, but we have to drill out the holes so we can bolt it on to the body of the car. And then once we do that, we're ready for paint, and we're ready to cut and get to the fun stuff. I'm excited, but at the same time I'm like, holy shit, I'm about to wide body my car. Like, it's about to go down, and I'm kind of nervous for the wide body experience. I don't know if I'm ready for the wide body problems, you know, because with wide body, it's very rare you get it perfect on the first try. You're gonna have to, it's a process, you know. So I don't know. This is what we're looking at again. We're gonna have to figure it out.